Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here in Mercedes-Benz of Cutler Bay, and I'm going to be showing you guys these 2021 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. But looking underneath the hood here, this is the AMG model, so this does make 496 horsepower. I don't have the actual torque figures or fuel economy here. One of the representatives from Mercedes-Benz, they're showing these cars off here at the dealership. They have two, and they say there's only 15 here in the United States, so it's kind of very special for them to have two S-Classes here. As you guys can see, there's a white one here. This one has the brown interior here, but I actually like this color combination with the black, but I wish it did have the brown interior. We're gonna hop into the interior really quick. I'm gonna shut the hood back here. I do like the 3-pointer Mercedes emblem here. The grille here is enlarged. I like the way it looks. This also has the adaptive cruise control. There's a front-facing camera. These headlights here, they're adaptive. They swivel with an automatic low and high beam function. There's front parking sensors. It does look really good here with the silver exterior color with the chrome accents here. But let's look at the side profile and look at these tires here. These tires look really good. I'm a big fan here of the multi-spoke design. It does have the black inserts here with the silver trim. Really nice wheels. This also has rear wheel steering. I'm going to insert a B-roll clip and show you guys what the white one was doing. So it's really cool. That's an LED side marker here. Looking at the interior here. Oh, did it lock? Oh, there we go. So looking at the interior here, there's ambient lighting in the interior. I'm walking on the other side and sitting in the driver's seat. So this one has the black interior here. And oh my God, this car is super nice. You have this gauge cluster here. There's the infotainment system here, which is their newest MBUX system. There's the air vents here. You also get air vents on the dash. The glove compartment here is large. You also have that fragrance here, so it wafts a perfume smell throughout the cabin. There's this frameless mirror here. There's a lot of ambient lighting here in this cabin. This also has a double hinge center console here, which is nice. There's a wireless phone charger here. I do like this steering wheel with this nice high quality material here. There's the touch sensitive buttons, your seating controls here on the door, and this car starts at a little over $120,000. And as you guys can hear that little click, it does have soft closing doors. But let's hop into the back seat really quick and show you guys the back seat. Getting back here, my camera guy's gonna open the door. Yeah, okay, so getting back here really quick, looking at this interior here, the back seat here looks really nice. You also have these tablet style screens here. Unfortunately, I can't turn the car on because the Mercedes associate has the key. So there's some air vents back here. There's also a set of climate control. You can also remove this tablet here in the center armrest here, but the car has to be on. Open up this, it does reveal some storage. Also a wireless phone charging here, so you can keep your phone charged at this interior here. And the seats feel super duper soft. The headliner here does have this nice suede Alcantara headliner, and it also has a pillow. So if you guys want to stretch out back here, you can definitely do so. There is this pass through here. You can probably, throw some stuff in the trunk, and the ambient lighting in this car is freaking crazy. It's everywhere. You guys can see it's on the door. There's also 3-level heated and cooled seats. You can also open and close the power shades there via the controls there. And there's this metal speaker cover here. But getting out of the S-Class here, overall, I'm really impressed. But let's check out the cargo back here and see what it looks like. Coming back here, very big trunk. The trunk is enlarged, as you guys can see here. The trunk is really huge, but it does have a small opening here, but it does offer a lot of cubic feet of space. You can also press the button there and it does close the trunk back. This does have the 4MATIC all-wheel drive. This is the S580 model here. This is the AMG, of course. Down here is going to be dual tip exhaust. I wish I could show you guys the brown one because it has a nicer interior, but let's just walk over here anyway and show you guys the brown interior. But we'll just look through the window because I don't have the actual key fob here, but this brown interior does look really nice. But overall, I'm really impressed with these vehicles here. These vehicles are really good, and the sale rep here at Mercedes said that the car was starting at $130,000. That's a lot of money. But I'm showing you guys the interior one more time here, just because I think it's super duper cool how this car looks. Looking here is super duper cool, and the materials are very nice to touch. Everything in this car screams luxurious, even on the upper part of the windows. I like the seating controls, nice high quality feel. But in this filming, I'm not able to drive the car, so maybe in the near future, maybe in like mid-August or October of this year, I will be able to be behind the wheel of one, fingers crossed, because like I mentioned, they only have 15 here in America. That's what the sales rep was telling me here from Mercedes. He was saying that there's only 15. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this first look here at the 2021 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Drive One Reviews and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all in the next video.